Hey guys, back on the YouTube video. Today it's going to be an unboxing video. I bought a lot of pocket knife parts and a couple of buck knives that were in this lot. Again, all parts. So, let's go ahead and get it unboxed. I paid, if I recall, $34 and some change in exchange for the shipping. Y'all voted for number one, so I got number one out. I will say the package is a lot smaller than what I thought it was. And he used what looks like package. Oh no, he wrapped them up individually. Okay. I gotta give him credit for that. Because not many people on eBay go through that extra effort to wrap everything individually. Believe me, it's rare. Package these in pretty darn good. Okay, first is the little baggie. He wrapped these in pretty good packaging tape. Okay, there we go. Okay, first knife we have. Better get my pairs of pliers because some of these blades are broken. We've got a stainless Imperial. Nice set of grips, but sadly all three blades are broken, so that one will be stripped. Let's get the miscellaneous parts that don't have brands on them. Again, those who know me know I do restore pocket knives. Okay, yeah. So there's the miscellaneous parts. And I even sell parts here and there to other collectors. A nice set of grips. Unknown what knife they went to. But they match perfectly with each other. Okay. A Utica cutlery jackknife. That'll look good when it's cleaned up. Okay, this one just has one blade. The other blade's gone. No name. So that one will get stripped. Okay. Well, the main blade's gone, but judging from the style, this probably was an Imperial. So that'll get stripped. This looks like another Imperial Barlow. And it is. That one will actually clean up really nice. That one I'll actually put some new grips on. Okay, that's the little baggie. Next is into the little guys. I gotta give him credit for wrapping these individually. He did a pretty good job. Okay, let's see what this one is. Well, the main blade's gone. So this one will be an unknown, but I will keep it as is till I can find a blade for it. Okay, we got a little slim knife. Just says Sausage in German on it. Yeah, that one might be worth restoring. No, I just realized it has a second blade. But the other blade's broken. Yeah, I think I'll clean that one up and keep that one. Okay. Crack them open like peanuts. Okay, we got a mother of pearl knife. Let's see, is there a brand on it? Well, it's a Western, but it's in really bad shape. I might try to clean this up, but I can not make no promises on that. I'll see what I can do on that one. Okay, next is this one. next we've got a Kent cutlery. Little jackknife. Nice. That'll clean up really nice. Like I said, I'm trying to work my way up from the small ones to the big ones because I want to show you all the real reason I bought this a lot. Another pearl knife. Let's see what this one is. This one is a K. Russ's Brothers. Yeah, I can't really make out much because it's heavily corroded. I'll definitely do a video on that one when it's all cleaned up. Sadly, the other scale's broken. Okay. Nice. We got a stainless Japanese knife. That one I'll definitely strip, but I'll try to keep this handle assembly together and put a better blade in it. Okay, is that all the small ones? Yep, we're getting into the medium-sized ones. Okay, got a weird-looking one here. So luckily, the other blade is stamped. Townley, Kansas City, Missouri. Never heard of it. I'll look it up before I do anything to it because this one's in really good shape minus all the pitting. But if it's a rare brand, I'll make sure to clean it up and put it and either keep it or put it for sale. Get rid of the one that's already been opened. Yep, we got a Boker. But it's been heavily modified. But I'll see what I can do for that one since it's a Boker. Might be the cheapest Boker available. Okay, got another jackknife. Looks like this one says Ford. Let's see if the other blade's marked, because this is heavily corroded. Yeah, I can't make it out. All I can make out is probably the word Ford or Lord. It's heavily corroded. I'll definitely have to do some work on that. Okay, next one. This one's a lot longer than most of my unboxings. There we go. This one. I was wondering what this one is. Yep, this is a Remington. A rare one at that. Even though it's not in the best shape, it's still pretty rare. Nice. It's a lot bigger than what I thought it was, which is a good thing. Trying to get that other blade out. Luckily, I always got a smaller pair. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, looks like I gotta use this pair. There we go. Yep, all three blades are stamped Remington. Nice. That'll clean up really nice. And if my father doesn't want this one, I'll put it for sale. Okay. So far, not a bad lot. Let's see what this one is. This one's a very old Camillus, but not in the best shape. Like I said, majority of these are going to get stripped. There's a main reason I bought this lot other than that Remington knife, and you guys are going to see that here in a minute. Yep, those are it. I want to save those for last. Those are the reason I bought the lot. Oh, well, I wanted to save this one, but now I have to show it to y'all. This is one of them. This is one of three of the reasons I got the lot. This is a Buck 313 Muskrat. Sadly, the tip's been busted, but I'm going to try to salvage it because I do not have one of these, and I've been looking for one of these for quite a while. Beautiful. The spring's not broken or anything. Nice. That'll definitely clean up good. That one I'll put there. I think this is the blade. Yeah, this is some of the other parts. No name, no name. There's the parts. I gotta give credit to whoever wrapped these because he did a good job. Let's see what this one is. Ugh. Wow, that was stuck in there. Okay. Looks like it says something cutlery CA USA. Never heard of it. Definitely do some research on that because I love the handles. Okay. Bingo. Let's see what this one is. Luckily, the main blade's intact. This is a Cutmaster jackknife. Well, no, it was a Stockman, but the little Stockman blade's gone. So that one would just be stripped. Okay, getting into the last few, and then the other main reasons I bought this lot. There we go. 2 bone-handled grips. I can use those for patching up handles that are broken. Alright, we got another weird one. Let's see if we can get the main blade out. This is a Robinson or Robinson, however you prefer to call it, knife. Sadly, not in the best shape. It does have a model number, but I can't make out the rest. All I can make out is 32, and that's really about it. The rest of them are heavily covered with rust. Not a bad little knife. It can definitely be strict for parts. Okay. Okay, we got another little bitty knife. Let's see what this one is. Let's see if we can get the main blade out. Okay, this one is a Cutmaster. That one will just be stripped for parts. Alright, the last small one. No main blade, so that means no name unless the other blades are marked. Well, they are marked, but I can't make out the name. Not a bad knife. Okay. That's all the knives. Now let's get into the other 2 main reasons I bought this lot. Now, if it was just these items, I wouldn't have even bothered with it. But that's the reason I bought this lot. A beautiful 112 that I can send in to be warrantied. Pretty good shape overall. Let me get my date code chart real quick. Sorry, I forgot to get it. Okay, that right there. Wait. Okay, this is a 1989 112 Ranger. Beautiful. If I can clean up the blade, make it look a little nicer, I might just keep this one as is. If not, I'll send it into the buck factory to be fixed. because you know they can work their magic. And then this is the other reason I bought this lot. A 110. This one is a 1986 110 with a huge chunk of the blade missing. Yeah, that's definitely been snapped off. This one I will definitely send into the factory and get a new blade put in it. But the 112, I don't know yet. I might look it over a little bit and see if I can fix it, make it look a little nicer, and I might just keep this one as is, and I'll send this one to the factory. This one I'm definitely going to keep as is. I'm going to clean it up, make it look a little nicer, and that's going in my collection. The 110 I'm definitely sending to the factory. But like I said, the 112, I don't know yet. But these alone were worth the whole lot. Because even as they sit, you could probably demand an easy $20 each for these, even in their current condition. And that alone will make me double my money. Because I paid $34 for the lot. And an additional $5 for shipping. Or $9. Anyway, it was about $30 to $40 overall. Well worth it, because these items alone are worth that, and all these parts alone are definitely worth that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Beautiful little lot. Let's go ahead and show off the next knives, the next unboxing. Here's number 1. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. Here's number 5. And here's number 6. Vote down below which one you want for the next unboxing. And as always, stay sharp.